Welcome to another Outlook Weekly Outlook. It is currently the 10th of February, but this week started on the 9th of February. I was a bit late to it, but without further ado, let's get into it. So, this is going to be a quick Outlook because it's already Tuesday and I'm a bit late to it. But on the monthly time frame, not much difference from last week's one, but the only difference is that we're moving bearish right now on current monthly. But if you go to the weekly, you can see we tapped a weekly FEG and it is actually reacting bearish right now from it. As you can see, strong bearish currently, strong bearish movement on the current candle. Daily bearish as well off this daily FEG. There's a daily demand FEG, but the overall, what's it called, order flow is bearish. So it's most likely, probability wise, in my opinion, I think it's heading to these lows, to this draw right here. That's my bias. So if we go here weekly, there's a reaction for weekly bearish FEG. Like I said, only thing concerning on the weekly time frame is the order block, the weekly order block, which is kind of like the daily FEG. It's the same thing, right? Weekly order block, daily FEG right here. But however, the overall order flow meaning bias, is looking bearish to me. So I dropped down to the 4 hour. There's a 4 hour FEG. I have an alert here. I was anticipating for price to get into here and potentially drop, or it can happen, but it could push up through it. But probability wise, most likely it won't. It would just, I think it would push down, or from where price is right now, it would push down. So what I think would happen is price push down from where it is right now and get here. It could take a few days to get here, it could take 1 week to get here, who knows. Or price could come in here and then make the move down. That's what I think would happen most likely, probability wise, because of my bias, and because of my bias is bearish, because it tapped the daily FEG here and the weekly FEG here and the daily FEG here. And there's as you can see, the market has been heavily bearish. So that's why I came to the conclusion that this is my draw. And right now price is still dropping, so it might not even tap this 4 hour, to be honest, because of this strong bearish movement. It might carry on going down. But that's the weekly outlook basically in a nutshell. I'm trying to be quick with it because it's already Tuesday. I'm a bit late to it. Sorry if I'm speaking to you fast, but yeah, that's it. Nothing much more to say. Of course, we got news this week. We got NFP on a Wednesday. It was meant to be last week, but they cancelled it on Friday. It usually is on Friday, but it's on Wednesday this week. So yeah, 1:30, and that's it. That's the weekly outlook done. Thank you for watching.